Good morning, children. Hope you all are well. So today we are going to do one new crossword chapter, that is from your English phonic primer, that means your conversation book. So please take out your English phonic primer book, page number 41, 4141. So children, before we start this chapter, we will write here CW and today's date. Today's date is 6th of August, that means month is 8 and the year is 2020. Chapter name is solve the crosswords. Okay, so children, as you can see in each and every boxes, okay, there are two drawings in each boxes. Okay, two drawings or two pictures are there in each boxes, and you can see, as you can see, there are this kind of boxes in cross design. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to see the word and then we have to fill the see the pictures and you have to fill the correct spelling accordingly. Okay, so our first picture, the first box, the first picture which is on above, that is a picture of a bat. So when we are saying bat, what's the what's the first sound coming from our mouth? That is B. So we'll write here B. Okay, as you can see, this picture is on the top or in the above, so we will write this from top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom, and this picture in the below, so we'll write it from here because below only one box is there, so we write it from here. Above is above its head and here up to down. Okay, B, A, sound A, letter A. Okay, T, last sound T, letter T. So B, A, T, bat. Okay, then this is cat. K, A, T, cat. Okay, we will see the pictures, say the name of the picture, and then we will understand what's the sound come first, then second, then the last. Like that we have to write the correct letter, identifying the phonic sound of the letter. Okay, so number 2, in the second picture, this is a girl who is crying, and what's this? We have to identify. So as we already learned and as we already seen this pictures, and it's what's this? The girl is crying. So in other words, we can say sob. S, phonic sound letter S, O, phonic sound O, letter O, and B, phonic sound B and letter is B. Sob, S or B, sob. And this is the picture of cob. K, phonic sound letter C, O, phonic sound letter O, and B, phonic sound letter B. Understood, children? Yes, like this we have to solve this crosswords. Picture number, box number 3, there are two pictures. The first picture is picture of pen. P, A, sound A, letter E. N, sound N, letter N. Then 10, sound T, letter T. A, sound A, letter E. N, sound N, letter is N. So pen, 10. As you can see, this first picture is on the top, so we'll write top from to bottom, and the second picture is on the down, so we'll write it, okay, like this across. Okay, and the last box, what is the picture? This is on the top, that is the bin. B, sound B, letter B. E, sound E, letter will be I. N, sound N, letter N. in a bin. Like this, we have to fill the letter, correct letter, from top to the bottom. With the help of the phonic sound, we have to identify the letter. Pin, P, E, I. Okay, letter I. So children, like this, we have to see the pictures, identify the pictures, what are the name of the picture, then we have to say the picture's name, identify the sound, and then we have to write the spelling of the picture. Okay, understood? So like this, you have to solve the crossword. So children, do solve this exercise or do solve this chapter in your English phonic primer book by giving today's CW and the day. Don't forget it, and you can play like this. It will help you to learn many words. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.